Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick live demonstration of the EpiCollect risk assessment tool that ASG operate. So you're out in the field and you're about to make a flight and you want to make a new entry. So who's flying today? It's me. So it's today's date automatically, time added automatically, where's my location for the flight, add flight serial, have I done my free flight inspection of my drone? Yes I have, it's all looking good. Okay, now we go through the environmental factors that may affect the risk of the flight. So, quick check of the weather. Is the weather looking suitable? Well, it's not today because it's raining outside, but if the weather was suitable. I've checked the airspace, understand which other airspace users may be in my area of operation. I've checked for obstructions, masts and cables in the environment which I'm operating. I've taken into consideration the ground topography. Am I working in a dip or on a hill? I've paid due cognizance to the environment and structures, and I know where people are likely to be, and there's little likelihood of me causing injury to people. Okay, then I need to answer if there are any adverse factors and what they are. So I may add here pylon line to west will be avoided. And then I got a risk assessment. So, do I believe that the risks are tolerable in LARP, or do we believe there's been an increase? So whichever the case may be, I think in this case I believe them still to be tolerable in LARP. I can also add a photo of the location. Take a photo. That one looks okay. Add a second photo, I think one would be enough. So this is a commercial task. If it's only, is it authorized? Yes it is. Are there any specific requirements? No. Save entry. Okay, now dependent on whether I'm actually in the field and got a signal or not, but if I have a signal, I can just upload that data, upload data now. Okay, so we can then go and look at the EpiCollect element within the cloud. Okay, so this is password protected private data. You can view the data. So this was the entry from today. So we can have a look at the actual entry itself. And then we can actually look to see where our various flights have happened on a geographic map. So this gives us a auditable record of the risk assessment conducted to support each flight.